Okay, so it's time to get ready for Daytona. The Doge is officially going to Daytona. So there's a lot of things that need to be done. This car's gonna be getting headers, a new distributor, a 4-barrel carburetor finally, because the 2-barrel is crap. So we are going to Daytona. And what's the most iconic vehicle to ever adorn the Daytona name? That's right, the Doge Daytona. Because we are doing this thing up in full Superbird / Charger Daytona look, livery, everything. So what we're doing is we're making a nose cone in the front and we're making a big wing in the back. So it looks like a wing car from the 70s, except for it's a dark. Without further ado, there's a lot of work that needs to go into getting this thing ready. Not only do we have all that, but little things to make it past tech. We got to straighten the body panels because something happened and they're all squished. But lots of things need to happen, so we're gonna get to it. Alright, so we got the new distributor in there. It barely fits, but it works. We have about 3 feet extra spark plug wire on every cylinder. So in case if we run out of it, we got more. Engine's running okay. I gotta get the carburetor all tuned up, and it also needs water, but this time I'm gonna give it the secret sauce. Cooling system cleaner. It desperately needs to not have rust and squirrel nuts in it anymore, because every time it leaks on my garage floor, it is disgusting. This will be the solution to my problems. It looks like water. This thing's starting to look really awesome. So I got these side plates on. I got it all ground down pretty smooth. There's no weld left anymore. It's more or less a knife edge, which is not perfect, but great. This side, same story. So what I'm gonna be doing next is the hood does not sit flush against this. So I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna beat this lip down underneath it until it's flat, and maybe the little hump where the turtle sat too, that'll get flattened a little bit. Right here, I'm gonna make a little block off plate that fits within the hood. I'm gonna do that before I take it all off. So a lot of major progress actually. I'm really liking how this is looking. Once it's all together, it'll be obvious what's going on and it's gonna be awesome. If you need a workout suggestion, beat the hell out of a 68 Dodge hood. Holy hell, that thing was tough. It looks Daytona-esque now. That's a nice little look there. I'm really pleased with it.
ZipTied Channel 5 reporting from ZipTied headquarters. Seems that there's been some trouble in the ZipTied team. Apparently their arrow kit has been causing some stir in the forums. So to keep the forum people happy, let's cut to Elliot and see what he's gonna have to do to fix the Doge.
So yeah, we got the nose band. I thought I'd be cute and I'd post it on the Facebook group, and then everyone thought it looked Mad Max, and then everyone thought that it was gonna destroy their little Miatas. Everyone went up in arms. I talked to the tech inspector. He said I need to roll the edges a little bit and angle it down so it doesn't create lift and lift the front end of the Dodge up, which I find unlikely, but still, I'm gonna do it because he's probably right. So that's a lot of work. I'm gonna try and do it all in one night and appease him before tomorrow. but we'll see. So weirdly, the needing to make this thing safe actually made it look better. I really like the fender that I hit with the hammer. It seems to come out cleaner. So I'm gonna do it to the other side. It's a nice big radius. It won't catch any Miatas, unless if they catch me. But I think this will do. I actually really like it. All right, so all these parts are now out. Let's start with the headers. So the headers are, I guess, the manifolds really are obviously junk. This is the part that I was most concerned about, was right here. Look at how thin that tube gets. Try putting a V8 through that little bit of space. So now I have that times 4. Also, whoever welded this exhaust originally, I think you need a new career. So this is now the steering. So obviously everything that's completely gunked up is what came off the car. This is the pump that constantly threw belts. And this is the power steering box. This is like, I don't know, 40 pounds. That's maybe 12 or 15. These two things get removed completely and get replaced by just that. So that's a good little upgrade. Okay, so it's now tomorrow. The entire garage is in a state of destroyed. I've pulled every tool out, and the job I thought may take 2 hours is taking more like 2 days. I discovered that you cannot simply feed the headers into the hole down there, and instead I had to end up taking almost the entire car apart. I've got everything from the drive shaft to the engine out, or I did, to get this to work. And of course, once I got the headers to finally fit, the steering box wanted to give me a fit. But Doge needs to get done, I want to be done, and I have to put a lot of tools away. This I can work with. So I cannot be more happy with how the Dodge has turned out. It is awesome. It looks crazy. It looks great. It looks exactly kinda like a Dodge Charger Daytona / Plymouth Superbird, except for it's the Doge Daytona, which means it's instantly better. Next time we're racing on Daytona, like the Daytona, 31-degree bank, oval track, that kind of stuff, it's going there. It should be awesome. So you don't want to miss it. You gotta like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Make sure you catch it next time, because let's be real, we are us. Something's gonna go down. I have a feeling. If you don't want to miss that, make sure you catch the next video. See you then.